guys, this is Manhar Gupta with my Eureka, and today I am going to show you on how to use the latest multi-roam by Abhishek. It is the most useful thing which we will need for flashing any room onto our device. Now, it's revealing the multi-boot developed by Abhishek, and this one is not like the earlier version, and which was the dual boot patcher, but this is extremely high ended multi booting system which will allow you to flash any ROM, any kernel, any mods on a particular ROM. Now, first of all, you need to download the files. As you can see here, I have already downloaded the files, and these includes three files: recovery image, multi-boot image, and a patched kernel. Now the first things first, you need to flash this recovery. So for flashing this recovery, we will need to go to Play Store and we will need to download Flashify. This is an easy way to flash this recovery. Else, if you are a pro user, you can also use fast boot mode. I will suggest all other users to use UVR app. You can see the app is installing right now. Now let's go to the app. Accept granting root assist. Granting root assist. You can see the root has been granted. Now you have to click on recovery image, choose a file. Now you have to navigate to where you have downloaded that file. In my case, it is in the multi-boot folder, which is here. You have to select the recovery file way, and yep, you can see it is flashing the recovery right now. Now it's done. Now let's see, reboot, ulogo, you can see multi-roam TWRP 3.0.0 is a team win recovery. You can see here multi-roam. Now you have to go to install. Select storage as where you have to store the files. Now going to the folder where I have downloaded the files. Sorry. Now going to the folder where we have stored the downloaded files. Now here comes the trick. First of all, you need to flash the recovery, then you have to flash the kernel. the patched kernel. This is Terminator version 2.4, which is the patched version, and the process is same. You have to swipe to install. That you need to flash this multi-ROM zip by just swiping it like you did in kernel. Remember, this should be flashed after flashing the kernel. To flash a secondary ROM, first of all you need to go to multi-ROM, you need to select add ROM, and now you have to click next and then select the zip file. Now you need to navigate where you have stored the zip file. In my case it's in the memory card, and I am flashing CR Droid 6.0.1. You have to select this and you have to swipe to confirm. Now for booting into the multi-ROM which we have installed, first of all you can see here that the ROM has been installed. Now if you want to flash any zip into this ROM, you need to select the ROM like I did then. You need to go to multi-ROM, you need to select the ROM, and you need to select flash zip. You will select all the zips that you need to flash, and you can flash any kernel on this ROM, which is not the primary ROM. Now for booting into the ROM that you have added, you need to go to reboot, you need to go to reboot system, and you will see here you need to click cancel, and then you need to select the ROM which you want to boot. Like if you want to boot into the secondary ROM, you have to select this ROM and you have to select it twice. Now you will see the ROM is booting into that mode. You will see CR Droid ROM booting now. You can see here. I hereby Manhar Gupta sign off. Thank you.